Hello, good morning. In this video, I want to show you how to add your Bitcoin address to your Zaphone wallet. Before you do that, you have to ensure that you already have an existing account with Zaphone. You can check the other video that I did to create an account with Zaphone. But meanwhile, with this, we assume we have an account, so we just sign in to your Zaphone account first. You sign into your Zaphone account, all right. Then you log in with the username that you selected while you created your Zaphone account. So here I am. I'm putting in my password now to enable me login. Then you must tick this box that says I am not a robot. In some devices, you choose some pictures. You select the similar pictures to continue. All right, you sign in now. Okay, there you are. In order to add your wallet address, it means you must have already created a Bitcoin wallet address, and Zaphone recommends that you use blockchain.info for your Bitcoin addresses because it is easier for them to process. And to do that, now the next thing is to go to this is your member tool tab. So you go to my money, then you click Bitcoin wallet here to enable you add your Bitcoin wallet. So here you see the option that says add your wallet. You click on it and it opens. So here Zaphone tells you we recommend blockchain and all of that. If you're using Zappo or local bitcoins and whatever, we may not be able to verify your transactions and so on. So just a warning sign, I recommend you to use blockchain.info. So in this case here, now you now go put your wallet address, which is in this case we're using blockchain.info. So you type in blockchain.info on this column here. Then at this part here you add the wallet address. Now question is this: how do you get your wallet address? For you to get your wallet address, you have to first of all be able to log into your blockchain wallet. So let me log out and log in again. There you are. You go to your blockchain.info. There I'm there already, but let's open it from the browser so you can see it in case you're not the same blockchain.info address. Okay, there you are. Let me type it completely. You open to blockchain.info address. Then if you notice where this is your wallet ID. Hello. Sorry. This is the home page of the blockchain.info website. So you click wallet to enable you login. You click wallet. It takes you to the page where you can log into your blockchain wallet. So what you do this time, you click login because you have already existing account. Now, in my system, I've logged in before with this blockchain. In blockchain, you don't have a username. Blockchain automatically gives you what is called the wallet ID for security reasons. So this wallet ID must be inserted. So for you to do this, you have to, whatever email blockchain sends to you, it includes this wallet ID called your wallet identifier in it. So if you really cannot remember what it is or you don't have it handy, so you have to log into your email. Like now I've logged into my email, so let me go to my email here. Even the message that tells you welcome to blockchain, yeah. If you click on it, it opens up. In every message blockchain sends to you, if you scroll down, you will see your wallet identifier. That is what is required for you to log in as your username. So you must add this to that column to log in into blockchain before you can do anything. And one thing about blockchain I love so much is that for security reasons, you paste it here. For security reasons, it automatically locks you out of your account automatically after 10 minutes, except you go to settings and increase the time or reduce the time based on your own personal choice and preferences. But meanwhile, you paste the wallet ID here, which is your blockchain identifier, like we've just copied from your email. Then you also add your password here. Okay, then click sign in. The blockchain signs you into your account. All right. All right, welcome. Welcome to your wallet address. All right, so there you are. You're signed into your blockchain wallet address. So remember, we're about to add an account. So we want to get our blockchain address. So now to get your blockchain address in your blockchain window here is as simple as ABCD. What you just do is to click receive. You click receive and it opens this page for you. This is your blockchain address. So you select it by clicking this button. Then you can copy it by using Ctrl+C, or you right click on it using a computer, or you hold it down and click select all and copy with your mobile device. Depends on what device you're using, but what you do is to copy this address. So I copy this address. Then you now go back to your Zafond account. Then you paste the address here. Yeah, this is your wallet address. You paste the address here. Okay, then the next thing, remember the security question you created while you're creating your Zafond account. So you add the answer to that security question here to verify that it is you. Then you click submit. That is all. You have successfully added your blockchain wallet to your Zafond account. Now, why do you do this? It is because when users are assigned to you for donation, they will donate to this address. Just like to upgrade, you're required to donate the 0.03 Bitcoin to your direct sponsor, which is this. All right, now you see this is this person's blockchain account address, Bitcoin address. So you see, if you don't have a Bitcoin address, people cannot donate to you, because this is the address that is used to donate your own Bitcoin to you as you continue in the process. All right, we've created a Bitcoin address, and I think we're good to go for this video. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for watching and listening. Thank you. Have a lovely day.